How do you know if you have unfulfilled inventory on Amazon? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a pro tip on how to automate the unfulfilled inventory and get it removed. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon and stay a millionaire. Let's dive in. So if we look at this, what you need to do to see your unfulfilled inventory is you need to go into your Amazon Seller Central account, go to inventory, and go to inventory dashboard. Once you're into the inventory dashboard, it's going to look like this. Simply go over your inventory tab and click on unfulfillable inventory. Once you're here, it's going to show you all of your unfulfillable inventory, and now you have the option to create a removal order. Sometimes there's different options for this, but usually these are like customer returns. You can kind of see customer damaged, one item right here, customer damaged, 2 items, customer damaged. Amazon says it was defective, whatever that means, but you can kind of see some different areas here on what's warehouse damage. That means Amazon broke the item or damaged the item, and you can get reimbursement. But you can now click on all these and you can create a removal order to either destroy them or send them back to you or attempt to liquidate them. Now, because you stayed till the end of the video, of course, I'm going to be showing you some auto removal settings, because if these are left at Amazon, what happens is Amazon is going to start charging you extra fees because they are not going to just hold your inventory forever, right? So you want to go to your auto removal settings and you're going to open this. It's going to open this tab right here, and this is where you don't have to worry as much about your unfulfillable inventory. So you want to have this enabled, and then you can check what boxes you want. So you can have refurbishment, and pretty much what Amazon will do for the refurbishment is, depending on the item, Amazon can retape, reglue, and restaple boxes. So, and then pretty much they can include steaming and removing stains and odors, and then they can pretty much resell it on Amazon for you as used. So that's one option. Number 2 option is you can also turn on grade and resell, recover value from your unfulfillable customer returns. Amazon's going to grade the returns, and let's say it hasn't been used but the package was opened, they'll mark it as like a 9, and then they'll put it on Amazon so you can make some extra cash. Next is liquidations. So Amazon will try to find a liquidator who will purchase all the inventory for 5 to 10% of its average selling price. So you can turn all these on to get some extra money back. I like to turn them off depending on the product. If it's a medical product or it's a product where it's pills or something you ingest, you might not want to turn this on, because sometimes Amazon does mess up, and you'll get some customers that are like, Amazon sent me an open package and all of this mess. So it's up to you and how you want to do it. But you can turn them all on, or you can have them automatically disposed or returned to your address. So just click return, and then Amazon will automatically return them to your address, or dispose. So if they don't fit any of this criteria, Amazon will dispose them and make you an email immediately, or you can change it to return maybe every 30 days. So it's up to you. And that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller already, I recommend you subscribe to the channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you need help on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com, where we can help you sell on Amazon. I'll talk to you soon. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.